Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Microsoft Edge appears to be opening in a new tab or new window. So whenever I try to open a link like this, it will be automatically opens up in new tab. So I want this to open in this tab. Let's do that guys. You just need to search for anything in the search bar over here. You just need to search for anything and you will be get this three slash over here. Click on it. Click on settings, click on more, and now you just need to scroll down. Under the results you can able to see the option open links from search results in a new tab or new window. You just need to uncheck this option. After unchecking it, select save for save changes. Now if you open a link like this, it will be opened in this tab guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.